Most high performers avoid meditation because they mistake it for doing nothing. This is an amateur misunderstanding of system maintenance. Your brain is a processor running thousands of background applications. If you never clear the cache, your system latency will eventually lead to a crash. Today, we install the Silence Protocol to transform meditation from a spiritual practice into a tactical tool for cognitive clarity. The primary constraint is signal noise, the constant, uncontrollable input of social media, notifications, and internal chatter that degrades your decision-making capacity. Meditation is not about emptying your mind, it is about buffer management. When you sit, you are training your brain to identify incoming signals and decide which to process and which to discard. You are building the capacity to observe your thoughts without becoming a victim to their emotional content. Next, implement tactical stillness. Dedicate 10 minutes daily to pure observation. When an intrusive thought arises, anxiety about a deadline, a craving, or an old grievance, you do not engage it. You label it, acknowledge its presence, and return your focus to your anchor. By repeatedly doing this, you are effectively defragmenting your mental drive, separating essential operational data from the noise. Finally, execute the reset trigger. Use meditation to bracket your day. A morning session clears the cache before high-stakes production. An evening session archives the day's data and shuts down the background processes. This ensures you enter your work with absolute focus and exit it with complete detachment. Stop operating in a state of perpetual static. Master the silence and you master the signal. When you control the noise, you control the output. If you want to move from accidental consumption to architected growth, subscribe and join the 1% who engineer their time. Lead with value, not busywork. This is your protocol for total cognitive control.